Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start exercise 8.3 and first question, which is greater, 0.3 or 0.4? Which one is greater? Obviously the number which comes on right hand side on the number line, that will be greater. You already learnt in junior classes. Okay, I am going to show you here. Suppose this is 0 and this is 1 and this will be 0.5 and this will be 0.6, this will be 0.4, and you see here 0.3 and 4, here 1 2 3, so here 0.4 and this one will be 0.3. So which one is greater? The number which comes on right hand side, that will be greater, because on right hand side while moving from left to right the number are going to increase. So which one is greater? Okay, so 0.4 is greater. You have to write. You have not to put circle in the notebook. You have to write 0.4 is greater. Same way, children, you have to do 0 point. I am putting circles so that you will learn how to do. Okay, so and next one you see here 0.07 or 0.02. Which one is greater? Okay, 0.07 will be greater because this will come on the right hand side of the, okay, 0.02. 7 is greater. Okay, another way also I am going to teach you. Okay, first I taught you by number line, now I am going to teach you by digits. Now C part, 3 or 0.8. 0 point something is, that means 0. 0 is smaller than 3. Okay, so obviously you have to check the first of all digits. So 3 will be greater, and here 0.5 and here 0.0. 0.0 is smaller because at 10th place, that is this one, this 0 I am talking about, this is smaller, and at 10th place this one is greater. So which one is greater? 0.5 will be greater. I think you understood. Now I will compare. This is 1, this is 1, like this. This is 2, this is 2. Okay, like from digits also you can compare. This is 3 and here 0. So which one will be, if nothing is written, that means 0 is written. So which one is greater? This one is greater. In F, this is 0, this is 0. This here 0 and here 1. Obviously this number will be greater. This is another way to find out the greater and smaller. This is 1, this is 1, this is 5, this is 5. Here nothing written, that means 0 here also. So both are equal. No, no one, neither 1.5 nor 1.50 is greater. That means both are equal. 1, 1, 4, 4. Now this is 3 and this is 9. So that obviously this one will be greater. I hope you understood this. 3.3, 3.300. Nothing is written, so that means 0. These are also equal. 5.5, 5.6. This is also 6. This is 4 and this one is 0. That means this number will be greater. So there is another way also I taught, and by number line also I taught. I hope you understood this exercise, children. So will you do 8.3 in your notebook? I hope so you will do. Now children, you see question number 2. Make 5 more example and find greater number from them. Same way you have to write 5 more example as you have done in first question. Of your own, according to your wish, you will write the numbers in digits. For suppose I am writing for you, suppose I have written 1.732 and here I have written 0.372. So which one is greater? This one is greater. If I am writing 0.399 and here I am writing 0.4546, 411. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Like this, you have to write same way 5 example, and you have to write which one is greater there. So question number 1 and 2 you will complete in your notebook, and 8.3 exercise completed. And in the next video I will start 8.4. okay, express rupees using decimal. Okay, let us start today. First question, very simple, because you can do very small exercise. That was 8.3. First question, express as rupees using decimal. First question, children, this one, A part 5 paise. Okay, 5 paise, and um, that means if you have to convert paise into rupees, first of all you have to convert it into rupees. Okay, so 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, then how many paise? 5 paise is equal to 1 upon, sorry, 5 upon 100 rupee. Okay, so how many rupees? For 1 you will put point, 2 zeros are there. Okay, so for 2 zeros 2 digit will should come, but this is 1. Okay, after 5 you will put 0, that doesn't having any value, so you have to put 0 before that, so it will become rupees 0.05 answer. I hope you got it. In another way also you can do. I am doing 75 paise, B part, 75 paise. Okay, so 1 paise you can write like this also, is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. Then 75 paise is equal to 75 upon multiplied by 1 upon 100. So this will become rupee, and in rupee 2 digit, that means, and for 1 point 2 digit 75. So how many rupees? This will come. So this one also you understood. And here very simple, 50.90, and here 7.25, E part you see, 725 paise. Again you will write 1 paise is equal to rupee 1 upon 100. Okay, then how many paise? 725 paise, that is rupee 725 upon 100, and it will become 7.25 rupee. D part, 50 rupees and 90 paisa. Okay, this is rupees and this is paisa. So you will write 50 rupees plus 90 upon 100 rupees. Okay, this is 50 and this is 0.90. That means if you will add, you will get, in short, I have done for this 90 paisa, rupees 50.90. I hope you understood. So first question you will complete in your notebook, and tomorrow then we will start from 2, 3, from question number 2, and remaining 3, 4 and 5 we will do. So 8.3 exercise and first question of 8.4 you have to complete in your notebooks, children.